Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becky, for those of you who are new here, and thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I thought I would take you guys along with me to my husband's daughter's house, and we are going to be reorganizing her bedroom closet, and I wanted to take you guys so that you could see before and after and just my process for reorganizing and creating better storage for her clothes and toiletries and other little knickknacks that she has in her closet. I have never seen her closet before, so I'm not sure what to expect. So today I'm gonna go over there and just look at it and analyze it and just get more of an idea of how she wants the closet to function for her, and just see how large the space is and what it is that I have to work with. So let's go. And this is what we're working with, and it's not bad at all. She has it pretty well organized. Everything has a place. We're just probably gonna try and better organize up here, see if we can create a better system up there, and maybe move some things from here. That way she can store her jeans in these little cubbies if she wants to. So we're just gonna kind of play around with the space and see if we can just get it a little bit better organized in here. But other than that, she has her closet looking pretty good, all on her own. I'm so proud of her. And we also have a little junk drawer that we're gonna try to organize too. She kind of just has like perfumes and lotions and little makeup bags in there. Okay guys, so this is the progress so far. I just rearranged the shoes a little bit, and we got rid of shoes that she wasn't wearing, and we kind of moved her blouses around and we hung them from shortest to longest. So it's sleeveless to short sleeve, long sleeve, and so on and so forth. We hung up her scarves that she had originally had in a basket, but they were getting wrinkled, so we hung them up instead. And she had this area full of her jeans, and we were able to move some of her toiletries and extras that she had here, and we put those in a different basket, and we are able to utilize the cubbies for her jeans now. So now she has this whole area cleared off, and we probably might use this for storing her recording equipment, because she has a YouTube channel and she has things that she needs to schedule and work on and record. So we're gonna use this space specifically for that. And now we have the whole top part of the closet empty. So we emptied some of her baskets out, and we were able to donate things, throw things. And now we have this basket for her keepsakes, photo albums, journals, things like that. So this is going to go back up in the closet. We have a basket that we were able to empty out, and we're going to use that for her extras and extra shampoo, extra deodorants, things like that, lotions, body sprays. And we have this little crate that we were able to utilize for her electronic equipment. So any little handheld games or DVDs, things like that. And instead of having her wires just thrown in there, her chargers and her wires are in a bag now. So they're compartmentalized in here, and they're gonna stay in there. That way they don't get tangled up. So we finally finished. So we finished organizing the closet, and I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. So this is the after. We were able to reorganize the whole top part of the closet, and we labeled some bins that she already had. So as you can see, her photo albums and keepsakes are in this container, and she has her crafting projects in there. She has her electronics in this container, and right here she has more crafting items, and her dress shoes. She didn't want to get dusty, so we left them in that container. And she has her files right above her new workstation. So we created a little office area for her to study or work on her editing for her YouTube channel. So now she has a whole area that she can do homework or editing on her videos. And as you recall, this area was full of clothes and we were just able to move them to these cubbies here. We took out everything that was in here, so there was nail polish, hair products, extras that she had, and we moved all of those things down into this little container that she had, this little basket, and we labeled it toiletries. So she has all of her toiletries down there now, and we were able to free up this whole cubby here for her backpack that she uses when she goes to college. So now she has an area for her backpack and it's not on the floor anymore, which is great. And she was able to get rid of shoes that she wasn't using anymore, and so we just went ahead and kept those there. And she has her laundry hamper and extra hangers there. So I think it turned out really great. And now the closet is better organized, and now she has a whole brand new area for her little office supplies, and it is going to function for her much better now. These are the items that she will be taking to Goodwill, and all that is going to be donated. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and just coming along with me as I organized. So I hope that you guys were able to get some tips in there for organizing your closet as well. And like I said, I hope that you enjoyed spending this time with me, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye!